Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Asana to manage projects, you probably know how important it is to keep track of your data. But what if you need to analyze it outside of Asana, maybe in Excel, Google Sheets, or for reporting purposes? In today's video, I'll walk you through a complete step-by-step guide on how to export your Asana data in 2025. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share the best format to use so you can make the most out of your export. Step 1. Log in to Asana. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Asana's login page. Enter your registered email address, click Continue, then enter your password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Asana homepage. Step 2. Navigate to the project. From here, find the specific project you'd like to export data from. Just click on the project name and it will open up the project dashboard. Step 3. Start the export inside your project. Look for the Actions drop-down menu, usually located at the top right corner of the page. From that menu, select Sync Export. Step 4. Choose your export format. Asana gives you a few different options, but the most versatile one is the CSV format. CSV files work perfectly with Excel, Google Sheets, and most data analysis tools, making them ideal for deeper reporting and project insights. Step 5. Download your data. After choosing CSV, Asana will generate your file. Once it's ready, you'll get a notification. Just hit Download, and the file will be saved to your computer, usually in your Downloads folder. From there, you can open it in Excel or upload it to any tool you prefer. Exporting your Asana data is quick, simple, and super useful. With a CSV file, you can run custom reports, analyze timelines, and even share clean summaries with your team. And the best part, once you know this process, you can repeat it anytime you need fresh data outside of Asana. And that's it. Now you know how to export your Asana data in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped you out, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical guides, just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.